Jeans, y'all. Look at that. They were $18. Now they're only $8. $10 off these jeans, y'all. Look like they're mainly for boys. They have some girls. $9. Cat and Jack. These are Cat and Jack, y'all. Come to Target, y'all. $9. You won't be disappointed. This is the clearance area. Look at here. $5 for this dress, Malia. Probably not your size. Oh, this is cute too. Oh, it's 19. Super Mario. $10.50. This is at Target, y'all, in the children's section. Clearance. They also have beautiful dresses. From $30 to $21. Different sizes, different prices. I see a lot of people in here getting ready for school, doing school supply shopping as well.
I want this. I like how